Now let's do the giveaway. Today only English, you and me English, full English. अंग्रेज चले गए इसको छोड़ गए वनिरा वाला साला नेपाली तो नेपाली हो नेपाली में तो बन सा guys. Yes, we will make in also Nepali. Okay guys, let's check keyboard flex also. अभी पुष्पा इंटरनेशनल समझाना. Hello guys, welcome back again for Tech. Today we are going to unbox Acer Aspire 15 laptop with new features added. Yes, today only English, you and me English, full English. Okay, let's start the video and stay till the end. There is a giveaway at the end.
For Tech got the rain, deals insane. Jump in the flow, let's ride the tech train.
Okay, this is the laptop, your next crush. This is your crush. Okay, let's start with unboxing. Okay, let's talk about its packaging. Packaging is really very nice and the laptop is completely secured with this Andako carrot. Okay, firstly, let's check the charger. So charger is, it's not Type-C, I think. It's round pin and with 65 watt with a power cable. Okay, there is, I think there will be some manuals which you never read, but you need. Okay, now let's dive into the sexiest laptop and with fantastic features. English था उसका क्या ले ले? अभी पुष्पा इंटरनेशनल समझाना. Okay, now let's check out the laptop. Wow. So here we have a steel grey beauty with metal build, metal chassis, and I think there is inner body also metal, I think. No, it's plastic build and the only chassis is with metal build. And the build quality is really nice as it's metal body. It's very lightweight, 1.65 kg only. So you can easily carry in your bag without hurting your back. अंग्रेज चले गए इसको छोड़ गए वनिरा वाला साला नेपाली तो नेपाली हो नेपाली में तो बन सा guys. Yes, we will make in also Nepali. Okay guys, let's check keyboard flex also. Yeah, we can say it's good in this budget. This is really very good. You get a large trackpad with fingerprint sensor, so you don't need to worry about forgetting password again and again. This is a backlit keyboard, so you can work at night easily. Okay, now let's talk about ports. On the left side, you get a Type-C, HDMI, a USB and a charging port. And on another side, you get a USB and one headphone and the Kensington lock. So you can lock your laptop so it doesn't get stolen. And the ventilation in this laptop is also nice. Weight distribution is really very nice in this laptop. You can open it with one hand also. And you can see this is really very strong build. There is no wobbling in the screen. So will it go to 180? No, it's 145 only. Okay, with this laptop, you get a 15.6 inches display with 1080p 60 Hz display with 45 NTSC. Okay, let's talk about its juicy features. Let's start with the processor. In this laptop, you get a Ryzen 5 8640HS processor with powerful performance. It comes with 6-core 12-thread with 3.5 GHz base speed and its boost clock is 4.9 GHz. This processor comes with AMD Radeon 760 integrated graphics. This laptop can easily handle tasks like basic video editing, light gaming, programming, coding or Photoshop. So this might be a perfect budget laptop for you. This laptop comes with 16GB RAM with DDR5 5600 MHz. Talking about the storage, you get 512GB NVMe Gen 4 SSD. Let's talk about the battery. You get 53 Wh battery with 5 to 6 hour battery backup with 65 watt charger. Despite having such a great performance, you will get this laptop on very low budget. Portec is providing this laptop for only 80,000 NPR, Nepali rupees. This is the best offer you are getting in Nepal no matter where you source this. With this laptop, you will get 1 year hardware warranty and lifetime software support. And what freebies comes with this? Bag, mouse, cleaner and each and everything will comes with this laptop. We have very limited stock of this laptop, so you should better hurry if you want one. Okay, this much for today and don't forget to comment about this laptop. What do you think about this laptop? I will see you in next one. Now let's do the giveaway.